thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. I got a few new subscribers. I know my channel's teeny tiny still, but it was just mostly just to keep track of what I was doing, because everything's on my phone, and I have pictures way back to 2014, so 4 years of growing with this phone. My other phone didn't take real good pictures, and I lost those pictures, and I have notes, but not a lot of pictures. So I figured if I started filming, I would have a better snapshot, and I need to go through and make a 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. Looking back at the pictures, it'd be nice that, you know, I can come back and check and see, because there's a lot of things that have changed. In 2015, we had a really early spring. We actually didn't even get a winter, and 2016 was the same way. If a warm winter and early spring, and I was out digging in the yard in January and mowing the grass in early February, and it just seemed like we never really got a winter. I think we got a little bit of cold, but nothing compared to like the last two years. And now it's time to go get my daughter. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.